Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into something that's been making waves in the online marketing community, TRK Ultra. If you've been searching for a way to simplify your email marketing and enhance your conversion rates, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. I've spent some time digging into TRK Ultra, and I want to share my insights with you. First off, let's talk about what TRK Ultra actually is. Essentially, it's a comprehensive email marketing solution designed to take the burden off your shoulders. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of crafting a new email every day, or if you've found yourself struggling to keep up with follow-ups, TRK Ultra might just be your answer. With this system, you're looking at over 1,000 pre-written emails ready to go, which is a massive time saver for anyone trying to build an online business. Now, I know what you're thinking, can't I just write my own emails? Sure you can. But let's be real, writing effective emails takes time and skill. With TRK Ultra, those emails are not just templates. They're carefully crafted, optimized for engagement, and designed to boost your conversion rates. Lee Murray, the creator behind this, has spent years perfecting these emails, and it shows. He's put in hundreds of hours of work, ensuring that each message hits the mark. One of the standout features of TRK Ultra is the way it automates follow-ups. Each email in the series is strategically designed to go out over a 30-day period, promoting specific offers that align with your marketing goals. This means you can funnel people into your marketing system and let the emails do the talking. Imagine not having to write another follow-up email ever again. Plus, if you ever want to refresh your approach, you can easily swap out links for new promotions using their built-in tools. The system utilizes Leads Leap as the autoresponder, which is quite appealing. For just $27 a month, you can have unlimited subscribers and access to a range of powerful tools, including a Rotator and link tracker. This affordability makes it accessible for newcomers, and you won't break the bank as your list grows. Lee emphasizes the benefits of Leads Leap, not just in terms of pricing, but also for the features that can really amplify your marketing efforts. Another fantastic aspect of TRK Ultra is the Find and Replace function. This allows you to update your affiliate links across all your emails with just a few clicks. Let's say a new product launches on Warrior Plus, and you want to promote it. Instead of writing new emails from scratch, you can simply replace your existing Rotator link with your new affiliate link. It's a game changer, letting you pivot quickly to take advantage of new opportunities without losing momentum. And if you think that's all there is, wait until you hear about the bonus bundle. If you opt for the complete package, you'll not only get the 1,000 emails but also a host of additional resources. Lee offers a private vlog series called TRK Forever, where he shares exclusive insights and traffic sources. This is a goldmine for anyone looking to expand their marketing toolkit. Plus, you'll receive traffic swipes that can give your campaigns a significant boost. One of the most exciting components of the bundle is TRK Review Central. This is a fully automated review system designed to enhance engagement and conversion. You can host product reviews that not only inform but also entice your audience to take action. The review system is integrated seamlessly with Leads Leap, making it easy to set up and start using right away. But what really sets TRK Ultra apart is the emphasis on building a lasting relationship with your audience. The emails are crafted to establish trust and rapport, which is crucial in the world of online marketing. Lee has meticulously designed these messages to be engaging and valuable, ensuring that your subscribers don't just see you as another marketer trying to make a sale. If you're feeling any hesitation about investing in TRK Ultra, consider the value you're getting. With prices set to rise significantly when it launches publicly, there's a sense of urgency. You could save a significant amount right now and gain first-mover advantage. This is more than just a purchase, it's an investment in your future as a marketer. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, TRK Ultra offers a powerful solution for anyone looking to streamline their email marketing efforts. With its user-friendly features, a vast library of emails, and additional training and resources, you're setting yourself up for success. If you're ready to take the plunge, I highly recommend checking out TRK Ultra. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.